In a major escalation of insurgent violence along the Indo-Myanmar border, suspected militants belonging to the Nscn Khaplang-Yung-Ang faction, possibly in collaboration with the Ulfa independent, carried out a pre-dawn attack on an Assam Rifles camp in Hatman village under the Manmau area of Changlang district in Arunachal Pradesh early this morning. The ambush, which began around 3 a.m. and lasted for nearly half an hour, saw militants open heavy gunfire and hurl improvised explosive devices (IEDs) at the camp, triggering a fierce retaliatory exchange. At least 4 Assam Rifles personnel sustained bullet injuries, 2 of whom Rifleman Harisharan and Rifleman Rahul Bora were airlifted around 8:24 a.m. to the 5 Air Force Hospital in Jorhat, Assam for specialized treatment. The condition of the injured soldiers remain undisclosed, while the identities of the other 2 wounded Jawans are yet to be confirmed. Following the assault, security forces cordoned off the area and launched an extensive search and combing operation through the dense forest bordering Myanmar. Reinforcement teams from nearby outposts along with additional Assam Rifles unit have joined the operation to track down the attackers who reportedly fled across the porous international border into Myanmar. The Nscn KYA, a splinter faction of the once dominant National Socialist Council of Nagaland, has been behind several cross-border strikes in recent years. The group, along with Ulfa, independent, a proscribed separatist outfit from Assam, is known to maintain operational bases in Myanmar, taking advantage of the rugged terrain and weak border controls. No outfit has claimed responsibility so far, but intelligence officials suspect the joint operation was intended as a show of strength amid renewed counter-insurgency operations in the northeast.